Hi, I'm Thom Bateman and I'm a chef ambassador for Maple from Canada, UK. Today we are making an English muffin with sausage patty, maple glazed bacon, fried egg, rosti and a maple hot ketchup. Grate the potato, wash in cold water, then squeeze out all the moisture and mix with rosemary and salt. Add a little oil to the pan, then press them in and then allow the base to crisp up and set before flipping over and repeat the process until cooked through and golden. Lay the bacon on a flat baking sheet and bake at 180 degrees Celsius until it starts to crisp up. Remove from the oven, then brush with the maple syrup every 2 minutes until crispy. Adding the maple syrup will add a really nice contrast with the natural sweetness against the saltiness of the smoky bacon. Mix the ketchup with the hot sauce, then add maple to this, again adding a lovely contrast to that spicy sweet sauce. Shape the sausage meat into patties, then fry in a little oil, pressing down until it's lovely and brown caramelised, then flip and repeat the process. Top with the cheese and allow to melt. Toast the muffins until golden. Heat some butter in a frying pan, just on a gentle heat, and add the eggs, season with salt and pepper. Assemble the muffin with hot ketchup on the bottom, then the sausage patty followed by the rosti, then the fried egg, the crispy maple bacon, more hot ketchup and then the lid. For this recipe and many more, head over to the website.